So this is a monthly subscription box. We opened one
on your channel.
Yeah, in December. In December, and I took her to Japan, and they were awful snacks.
Well, they were. Yeah. So if you want to see that, head over to her channel. And you can watch us taste some nasty ass snacks from Japan. Sorry, no offense, but they sent us some gross stuff.
Were really bad, but she ended up getting a box.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Colombia! Have you ever been to Colombia?
I have not.
I haven't either.
Let's see what else we got in here. This. Oh, I guess this shows us what snacks we got, so we're just going to put that to the side in case we
are confused.
This is nothing that I need. And our snacks are in here.
Oh, we got a whole bunch of garlic. Ooh, plantains.
All right, let's see here.
All right, so what should we start with first, sweet or salty?
I kind of want to try one of these chips.
Okay, so what do you want to do, the plantains or the tostacos?
I kind of want to try these.
Okay.
Just because they're garlic and that sounds good. All right, I'll show you one more time what we're having. I don't really smell garlic. I love like these kind of things.
I love plantain chips.
Yeah.
That's where we're both like, hey.
I mean, they taste just like what I always get from like the farmer's market, just not as fresh.
They taste like just plantains.
Yeah. With like garlic powder on it.
But I really don't taste the garlic.
I kind of a little bit. Like afterwards, I have like a garlic taste in my mouth.
They taste kind of stale though.
Yeah, they're not like super fresh tasting. I mean, they're not horrible, but
no, I mean I like them.
They're not as good as I was kind of thinking they were gonna be.
It's one of those things though. If you don't like plantain chips, you won't like these.
You could pick next, which you won't.
All right, let's try. I want to try these.
Okay.
I have no idea what these are. Where's our cheat sheet?
Oh yeah.
So the SnackCrate box, flavored. They come with like a cheat sheet, which tells you everything that's in the box with what they are.
Oh no.
And it looks like these are cheese flavored crackers. All right, from the Andes region. It's like a weird smell. Ew. I don't like them. That's a no.
Ooh.
Ew. Oh.
Here, grab that Coke.
Ew.
Oh my god, that aftertaste is awful.
It says that they're made from achira, which is a native plant that grows at high altitudes in the Andes. Yeah.
Ooh, that aftertaste is awful. It's almost like fishy. I don't like that.
No, it's gross.
Okay, I want to get this out of the way because I just saw the cheat sheet that it said pound cake.
And she hates cake.
And I don't do cake.
So if you have seen our Mexican snack video,
hers, it'll be on your channel, right?
It'll be on my channel because I picked out all cakes. And
I don't think she knew that I didn't like cake.
She never told me she didn't like cake. So when we were picking out snacks, I don't know, I just picked out what looked interesting. She hated all the
Yeah, she had like two out of 5 were cake.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this out of the way because it says it's a sweet pound
cake that it's covered in special milk chocolate.
And
but it says that this has been a popular Colombian staple ever since the 1950s.
I mean, that don't mean I'm gonna like it.
Ooh, that's big.
Yeah, it is. I'm just gonna take a little corner off it, or maybe I'll just take half of it. Ooh,
right.
This looks so gross.
There it is. Oh, did you guys just see that? She's like gagging.
Oh my god, I seriously don't want to eat this. Okay, I'm just gonna skip it, guys. Sorry, but your face and the fact.
It's really dry.
I can't do it. I'm sorry, but this is a no for me. I'm not. I can't. Kayla tried it for you guys.
It's like the chocolate's weird, but the cake's dry.
It looks very dense and dry and disgusting. Yeah, you just took another bite, so it's not as bad as I thought.
No, it's bad. It's like really dry.
Yeah, that's not for me.
All right,
something good.
Let's try these, okay? Because who doesn't like gummies?
I mean, they look delicious.
I like gummies.
Tropical fruit juice exploding with every bite.
Ooh. Look, they're little turtles.
Let's see. Ooh, I want a blue one.
Turtles.
Ooh, I got like a little octopus squid looking thing.
So there's stuff inside them?
I don't know. Do you hear it chewing? It's like so squishy. It's good.
That's good. There's nothing inside of them.
What color did you do before?
This one. It's a yellow red one. That one's lime. I love it.
I'm gonna try a green one too. What is it? Oh, turtle.
I like those.
Yeah. We're gonna save those for
We'll
later.
save those ones for later because those ones are good. What do you want to do next? We got chocolates.
Let's do one of the candies because there's so many of them.
All right. So, we got two different ones here. And actually, in the box, we got 3 of these.
Yeah.
3 of each. So, it looks like one is probably coconut and the other one's caramel.
Caramel and something else.
Yeah. I have no idea. Maybe, it looks like maybe possibly peanuts.
Okay.
Which one do you want to try?
Let's do this one first.
Coconut?
Honestly, when I saw the yellow, I thought banana.
So that's what this one. This one is.
It kind of almost looks like an almond
Super
joy.
Cocoa? Yeah, that's what it looks like. And it looks like there's coconut in it.
Here goes half.
Oh yeah, it smells like coconut.
Looks like an almond joy, don't it?
Mm-hmm. Well, more be like mounds.
Is that the one
I
without
want to say.
Yeah, it's like a mounds because mounds doesn't have the nuts, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's actually, yeah. I'm not a big fan. Like the chocolate doesn't taste as good to me, but
Oh, I like it.
it's pretty good though.
The coconut on there tastes like the coconut that's on like the Girl Scout cookies.
Oh yeah.
That's
Caramel
good.
delights.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
I'm gonna save this for later though. All right, let's try. Wait, where's the other one? Thought we were gonna try the other one too. Yeah, we'll do this one too. That kind of looks like it's already open though.
So this is the other one. It's called Bianchi. It looks like it's got caramel in it.
It's like hard as a damn rock.
Oh.
Doesn't really look as appealing as it should.
It smells like really peanut buttery.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like a Snickers.
Mm-hmm. Except the Snickers is better.
Yeah. But if I had to compare it to something, Snickers.
Yeah, this is definitely like a Snickers. It's not bad though.
You know, I mean, I'd finish eating it. All right, what's next?
Want to grab one of these?
Sure.
Alright, you guys. Next up, we have like 4 of these. Looks like we got 2 of the same flavor. Durazno. We really have to look that up. Because I had a drink yesterday. The other day. That was Duranzo.
It tasted like
Durazno.
It tasted like peaches to me.
And I never looked it up. So I don't know what flavor it is. But, yeah, now that's a Duranzo flavor.
Yeah,
Right, is that
both
Duranzo?
Both of these say that,
And then we have a mango and a piña,
So,
pineapple. So which one do you want?
the pineapple.
I'll try durazno because, you know, durazno.
Oh look, it's like got blue.
Oh, interesting.
Let's see if I can break it in. Oh, yep, sure, it just broke right in half.
Okay. Cheers.
Oh, it's hard. Oh, shit. I'm gonna break my shoes.
I like Laffy Taffy. Kind of.
Yeah. It's okay. Or like a now and later.
Yeah, that's it.
Not bad.
It doesn't taste like pineapple though. I feel like it tastes
a,
more like grape.
it's like a fake a fake pineapple taste.
I'm gonna try the durazno, just because I had the drink. It's fucking peach.
I'm pretty sure.
I swear to God, it's peach. That tastes like peach.
Hand me my phone, I'll Google it real quick. Peach.
It is peach. Alright, let's switch it up and let's go back to something salty.
Sounds good.
So, Tostacos.
Cante. Oh, they're like little
Yeah.
pockets. Like bubbles. Ooh.
They're
Spicy.
very
I just want to dip it in cheese.
they're corny.
They're not
They're
terrible.
not bad. But it does need like a dip, I feel like.
What's that? The cheese in the can?
Yeah. The cheese in the can. That's so American for you. Alright. Let's try this one.
Max Coco.
So we have this one, which is Max Coco. It feels like wafers.
Yeah.
Like those wafer cookies, you know? Alright. So it does. It's a wafer cookie.
I thought it would be a little bit darker. I really like it. It's a weird taste.
Like, I think it's supposed to be like coconut.
It says extra creamy. What do you mean it's creamy about
It
this?
says it's a coconut cream wafer cookie.
I don't like that taste. Do
It's
you?
like a weird aftertaste too.
It tastes like stale. I feel like I'm just eating cardboard.
Yeah,
To
it's
be
kind of.
honest.
It is. It's stale.
I don't
for
really like
sure.
that.
But I don't know. Like the taste of the coconut's not real. Like it tastes.
I
funky.
don't taste coconut at all. I just, not a fan.
All right. And then we have.
I think these are all the same.
coffee.
Coffee Delight.
So they look like these. Coffee delights.
Let me open one up and show you. Ooh, it's like wrapped in a little paper.
Ooh, it's like it's gonna be chewy.
It's-
Oh no, it's not. It's not chewy.
Oh, it's got a, I don't know, weird. I feel like I'm just sucking on a coffee bean.
But it's not really coffee flavored. It's a really bad taste.
I don't like it. It tastes like burnt. Something burnt. I could do without.
And last but not least, we have some, what are they? They're like suckers.
Yeah, it says Bon Bon Bum. There's
Maracuja.
passion fruit, mango, and watermelon. Which one would you like?
Watermelon.
I don't really care for mango, so I'll go with passion fruit.
Alright.
Don't know what passion fruit tastes like, but
It looks like there's gum. I'm not sucking it until we get to the gum. Sorry, guys.
Black dots in it. Is that what passion?
That's what passion fruit looks like.
Mine looks like it's got like moldy bits on it.
Oh my god, this one literally looks like a watermelon with seeds.
Oh my god, that's kind of cute actually. Oh, it's kind of sour.
This is the fakest watermelon taste I've ever had in my entire life.
This tastes kind of... I guess I probably shouldn't have picked this because I don't know what passion fruit actually tastes like.
But what does it taste like?
Just some random fruit that I like. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It's very, I don't want to say like perfumey, but do you know what I'm trying to say? Like,
I mean, this tastes like fake watermelon. Like fake. What is like the suckers that we have in America that has gum in it? The big ones.
What are they called? I know what you're talking about because I like the green apple ones. Why can't I think of what they're called?
That's essentially what this is.
Yeah.
Stop sucking
I mean,
on.
I don't hate it, but it's not my first choice.
Yeah.
Is that everything, or do we still have more?
That's everything. We tried everything.
All right.
So, what was your favorite? Agreed.
These gummies are my favorite.
Agreed. But then I also liked this as well.
Let me see what else we got.
Oh, plantain chips. I wouldn't mind the plantain chips either. But I think if these weren't, like, I felt like they were kind of stale.
This is 100% my favorite.
But I liked this one as well.
Yeah, those weren't bad.
I'd eat this again. Overall, though, I wasn't really impressed with the snacks from Colombia, to be honest. I think a lot of it just has to do with our taste palette. I mean, a lot of it's like cocoa flavored. I don't know, coconut flavored. So let us know down below in the comments if you are Colombian or you have been to Colombia, if these are real snacks that you can get in Colombia.
Yeah. Or if they're like common.
Yeah,
Something that
or
people like actually go and
if there's
pick up.
something that we need to try that's Colombian, let us know. I don't know. I thought it was fun.
Yeah.
I always enjoy trying snacks from different countries. I think it's a lot of fun. So,
So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kayla.
Bye guys.